ragazzi, guarda come volai, che volai stanno, che volai, vai a fare avanti. Ok. I win with my fist, yeah. Every time I get this man, I blew it with my gist, yeah. When you told me, yeah, you have to push a bit, yeah. It takes a little while, yeah, to be on the team. I focus on Rex, yeah, I made out all the beats, yeah. Everybody stand up, side loan is coming. Take 3 steps, yeah, my nigga never win, yeah. I'm coming so hot, yeah, J, Mr. Wick. I win with my fist, yeah. Every time I get this man, I blew it with my gist, yeah. When you told me, yeah, you have to push a bit, yeah. It takes a little while, yeah, to be on the team. Focus on Rex, yeah, I made out all the beats, yeah. Everybody stand up, side load is coming. Take 3 steps, yeah, my nigga never win. Coming so hot, yeah, J, Mr. Wick.
Hey, welcome again. We got another episode about the previous episode, part 2. Yeah, peer pressure and bullying. So we got part 2, peer pressure and bullying. Okay. Since it's a general Maspala, aka SABSA. So Renale the guests arena today. So I'm going to introduce her and again among and then I'm going to we should out of a life from
Hi guys, Mina ikamala mngolondiwe Masuku. Yeah, that's it.
Londiwe Masuku today. And then more than a familiar face. You're feeling on the go part 1.
Oh, hello guys, ninjani Tamalami, unomfundo kam. Yeah.
Ile kamala kuno mfuto kam.
Tamalami unomfundo. Isibongo kam.
Oh. Gama lika.
Ikamali.
Kwena wakagama.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, I know more easy catch and I don't know tipsy culture last week. So the door part 2. So easy catch TikTok and Facebook. So the second I come manyora, once I got nyora
Manyori.
Yeah.
Or nalle nyora manyori, that's on now nyora. So since let's see, guys, on our last episode, we like a bullying and peer pressure. Because last time when we checked, these two topics they affect mostly our youth. Banaba school, even learning about
Yeah.
learning what affect mola lumul.
Yeah.
You know what I can jump short give bullying over give peer pressure. I don't know when I got naked in the loop. So now first of all I got no battery. I know now about so nothing to say but last word le easy kettle to go khala wa tseba khala a budiwa kwa sekolong kwa a chaba pinky go toilet a chaba pinky ba chabanda.
Hey, yeah, pinky,
So today to buchaba to kwa kanto ka londi wena peer pressure ne go tshwerwa or bullying a botsa tshwana ka bullying.
Yo. Bullying is angazi man, but I would say ukuthi mina yo experience it. I don't wanna lie. I don't wanna lie. I did
Primary, high
experience,
school.
yeah, primary. Plus lapho bengisahlala emakhaya ke, yabo eMpumalanga. I won't go deep. But yeah, I did experience it. Bengifunda kwenye primary ngale yami. And yeah, sizogibela like ibus. Besilandwa ibus like yabo izohamba like sections and sections. It collects abantwana iyostop esikolweni. Fine. Yo, this like obviously kuyazi ukuthi after school ibus yethu ihamba ngoba isikhathi yabo bani ihamba ngoba isikhathi.
Yeah.
So you would literally like bekunabantu abasatshwayo nje primary not high school, primary. Yo, bekunabantwana abasatshwayo kwaziwa nje ukuthi if you mess with one of them ayishayile mfana after school. Bazokulinda ebhasini. So yeah, I was one of them. Bake bangilinda nami ebhasini. Yeah, ngoba kanjalo but ngoba kuthi ke yabo ngikhuliswa ugogo o-strong. Yeah, isoja yami leya.
Gogo.
Ngafike ngamtshela ke wathi ini siyabuyela.
Esikoleni?
Emakhaya kubo. Siyobalanda khona athi niyolwa.
Nibalanda fresh.
Angisho bangishayile sesivula round 2 ke. So sivula round 2 wasemakhaya. Yeah, it's not a nice thing shama ngifuna ukuqamba manga because ezinye ingane igcina ifuna ukuyeka isikolo like ugcina uphuma usaba ukuphuma estradini because uyazi ukuthi uzodibana nalomuntu lo yabo. And I don't want to like modibana nebully yakho uyazi ukuthi my soul is leaving my body la. Like uyazi ukuthi yeah.
Umuntu wena wakwaru sathana.
Yabo so yeah.
So wena bullying azange awunakanisa ka tlogela sekolo or ka nyaka o commit suicide or something or ngo.
No, I didn't. Angisho mina nginogogo oyi.
Kahle wena umntwana webhola.
Yeah, ngumntana kagogo mina yo. Ngumntana la gogo shem. So yeah, yaphela by that time. But amanye benginokwa experience from far like ngibona ukuthi hayi man, yabo. And I think e high school nami ngeke ngaba ibully.
Nawe. Ebala.
Yazi ukuthi lento le guys yeah, I think so because if bake bakubullisha uba nalento ukuthi yabo I can do this nami.
You can do it more.
Yeah. So e high school plus bengiceda ukusuka emakhaya ngithe mangizongena e high school mama wangithatha wazongihlalisa la Goli. Yabo ngisasuka naleya engayangale ya ukuthi yabo. And ngathi mangifika emakhaya ke uyagunda ekhanda like bengine chiscop yasibo isiphongo sami singana. Which is Kapsi West. Yo mangifika ngiyahlala kube after school like kuringa I siren yabo. And then makusuka lapha sisiso fikayo nempandla yo.
Washo le.
Yeah, like, bruh, no,
Bengikhulisa akusiphongo umkhomba phambili.
Uyabo. Uyangibullisha. Uyangibullisha. On a public platform, uyangibullisha. It's fine. So yeah, basi sisofikayo and yeah man, I lost it. Ngahamba ngayomlanda salwa and yeah, I was suspended for a week. Ngiceda kufika.
From there when I was
No, angizange ngibe ibhozo. Yangenwa abantu abaningi and I was like, nah man, nah, yabo. And yeah.
all right. Nomfundo kana wena la rukutsa wena ukulile namthu uthi bullying bekuphethe njani esikolweni?
Na mina ngithe angazi ngi-experience bullying cause ngithe mangifika vele esikoleni bengazi ukuthi kunama group so ngathi hayi yabona ukuze ngingazitholi ngibulisheka ngcono ngiskime laba ababhulisha abanye so bengihlezi nje
So
Yeah.
so now
bengine scheme uyazi ukuthi hey yabo le scheme asithinto like uzoba nefear mawuhamba estradini ukuthi yabo
So we
abekho
won.
la yeah because abasekho labantu adusuku nabo ngaleso sikhathi but nje mina bengi group yabantu ababhulisha abantu.
so man, how does it feel when ukuthi ubullisha abantu? This feeling ya ubullisha abantu na wena futhi wena uyintombazana kanje. How does it feel?
Ngifuna ukuqambela ngaleso sikhathi bengayiboni into wrong yabo
Everything was
like bengi enjoya bengifuna ukusatshwa ukuthi ngibe negama ukuthi yabo la ntombazane le ayithinto ungayisukeli like bengifuna ukuthi ngibe yabona nje ngibe lo muntu lo ukuthi awumesapi nonomfundo yabo uzoba nenkinga nje so yeah like makhamba isikhathi ke phela ngisho siyakhula manje uyakubona ukuthi no lento I wrong because yabo njengoba bekasho nje uLuntu ukuthi abanye abantwana bagcina sebesaba ke esikoleni yabo bazosaba ukuthi kunaleya group yabo besizibiza
Benegama. Primary.
besibiza ngabo lady corruption and then bese kunaba corruption ngaleso sikhathi kunabafana bakhona and then thina singabo lady corruption yabo so yeah okay nje
Shokuthi kune ama maybe abafana bona basibiza ukuthi what
ama corruption yeah
then ngale bafazi thi lady corruption
yeah
shokuthi nani ukulela
kunezinye iqimi ngapha nangapha yabona nje nazo namagama plus ke bengifunde Alex yabona Gomora yabona yabona so lapho bemele vele uziprotect nawe yabo usifake entweni right.
Okay, no yazwakala. What you can say gore bullying is not good.
Very clear.
Bullying is not good and it's a no-go area. Whether or tell it your money or just know or bullying is not good. It's not a good it's not a good idea or muthu or feel it look hard group ya batho ba ba go ba bullying because bana ba ngwa lose future ka baka la bullying gore ba fetsa ba lose future ka baka la gago so ngwana a tlogele sekolo o ba ngwana a ke playa ya commit suicide or a felitsa sa file gare ai nka sa ya sekolong gore wa kushitse o tšela mongwe no mongwe ba re keng the rights tša gagwe rights to live in peace because a kere na le yona right wa kushitse ke na le yona right of movement so wa thoma so nna re ya tseba bullying ya ka le wena mokhathakhatha gore ne go le strat
Yeah.
ra strat se so a se ka strat se so strat se so a se bafana ba Bosfelder ba tsene man
I was in Monday.
so ne le yone ba tse bile ne ba ya tseba gore UK score ka ka e di tsamaela di tsanela so UK le mane di sa tsamaela so nna ke bullying e nna gore ke experience se go ja from primary high school never
But when I'm in the school, it's all we just see.
wa bona ba no thoma e nngwe
I receive it. Hey, I get it. I'm alive for Siavi. Imagine how we don't see.
Yo. Yo.
yeah but I know what's that ina la si bino ba le gore mener ka go la ai bala this thing I get it remember my name is SEA okay so then go khatha SEA over SEA it's C ke C ya lo what and then go chela BI ba you are C so a se C B la ya mja a se C B le gore o no gore wena o bolela ka yona me re picture CV because era na bala ntwela ka segwa sena se kutse gore ka segwa leina la ka ke C
Yeah. That's a whole.
Yeah.
cause I get when o tja C la ware C B
Yeah.
we go shi
Yeah.
ya C B
CV.
mara nna ke sub
Yeah.
nna ke sub general aka ba tseba ka mogala wala dikhora tse ka o fela ga tsona tibane kae ka moka ba tse gore subs the general ke okay so then re tswile ka re ya bully so re tsena ka re ga peer pressure Lundi
Hayibo waqala ngami kuyo yonke.
uhlele nami ola
Yo.
Yeah.
Eh. Peer pressure.
peer pressure
Yeah. Yeah, peer pressure is there. Yeah, exists ne? A lot. Futhi emantombazaneni yo igcwele. And umuntu ugcina aphuma off character like ngenxa yokuthi like peer pressure understand like mawudibana naye bathi hayibo lengane ngoba besiyazi lena kwenzakaleni you understand and abangani bethu abaningi man abanye babo badonsa ingane nga3 nga4 abanye babo bayagula
Yo.
abanye babo surely they lost what they had during those times yabo kuning but mina I've never I've never maybe I have but I didn't notice
You didn't
because
notice.
kuyenzeka sometimes ubona like
Ubona.
ube kwi peer pressure but ungazi ukuthi like maybe you don't want to admit it ukuthi yeah
Le peer
mara
pressure.
ayikho nje into engike ngathi mhlambe yabo ngiyayibona ngiyayilangazelela that much ukuthi ngiphuma mhlambe in my character mina I like ngithanda ukuthi ngibe like into engenayo I will learn to live without it like every day until ngibe nayo.
so when I should azange wayenza into because of the friends,
No.
because of peers because of
Mina-
your peers not friends per se but peers.
Next angazi ngaphandle kokuthi mhlambe ngivume siphume nithambe siyojiva of which is akusiyi peer pressure leyo
it's
yeah understand but eclubini ke kunokutholakala ukuthi kugcine kuthiwa hayi wena usile wena nananana because now I take care of my friends singadakwa sonke siphuze into efanayo but mina I know how to limit myself a bit for ukuthi nginakekele abantu engihamba nabo yeah understand ngcine manje amajida ngwakwatisa ukuthi hayi wena yeah so
Share.
yeah
Ukulase kwalo.
yeah bangigcine bangibhadela ukuthi hayi lokhu plus angidakadakwa mina ngidakwa mase ngingena endlini ngibona umbhede ngithi yo khathi ke ngidakwa yeah khathi ngilokha mase ngisendlini but yona ikhona sham
Yona ikhona.
Yeah.
Semanje wena uthi wena vele mina abana mina ngifuna ukubuza this question ukuthi
hawu
igoli
sorry
the way ukuthi igoli ikhona ukuthi abana ukuthi igoli linjani
Yeah.
wena uthi uphuma eMpumalanga waza igoli
Yeah.
yabona? Then from okay waza igoli maybe wakhulela khona
yeah
angithola And then thina siyababona abantu abaningi abaphuma emakhaya baphuma eMpumalanga eLimpopo emakhaya ku-KZN le khashakhashi ukuthi sorry to say khashakhashi mara
It's
khona
okay.
le
It's okay.
amaprasi
Hawu uyaphinda. Hawu.
amapeneplasi
Okay.
so then siyababona abantu bakhona nje ukuthi babanjani some bafika lana uthola ukuthi bayashintsha abanye baba ama-prostitute bangena izinto ezinye nina nasabeva kanjani
Hayibo. Ima, let me get the question. Usasurvive kanjani ukuthi singabi in that mist?
ukuthi ningabi in that mist ngoba siyababona thina la ama-brothel houses ukuthi naba abantu umuntu siyazi ukuthi emakhaya siyazi ukuthi lo muntu uyasebenza Shoprite mathi lo muntu loyo angasebenza Shoprite usebenza le ama-brothel
No, yazi angeke ngize ngithi it's a matter of surviving. I matter ye situation okuyo ngaleso sikhathi. Nangendlela yokuthi wena uthema ukhuliswa kanjani. You understand because I feel like life ayisiphathanga ngokufana sonke. So angeke ngize ngithi mhlambe laba bangama prostitute namhlanje ingoba mhlambe bahlule ukuthi bafike eGoli babone flash life mhlambe yabo bafuna ukuthi bazidayisa. Akekho umuntu ongavuma ukuzidayisa butami. But isimo mangabe ukuthi sithi usuke ekhaya mhlambe section abazali you understand uzophanda mhlambe la Goli because uthole mhlambe a friend othi hayi chomi was you understand mawufika la akuchazela ukuthi hayi mina ngiyadayisa chomi yabo azo like maybe link you up akulink up or something mawubheka situation yakho uyabona ukuthi okay this is the only way I can make money of which is loyo muntu ngiyamgxeka ngiphinde ngingamgxeki because at the end of the day you need to live and in order to live you need money.
oh
Yeah.
that's how you survive
Yeah. Mina ke lapho Nkosi yami angisho ukuthi angeke ngize ngifike kungenzeka izimo zomhlaba mhlawumbe igcine zingifikisa khona but I feel like ezinye izinto uyakhona ukuthi like uzidoje man yabo ngihlezi ngitshela abangani bami ngithi mina if kuukuthi mhlawumbe ilife ingiphushela to the point yokuthi abantu bangibone at my weakest point I would literally run home ngabuyela ekhaya. Yazi kungcono ukuthi impilo ikhhlule usemakhaya kunokuthi ikhhlule eGoli. Mawukhhlule eGoli ubonakala kakhulu because ilife yala iyashesha. Ekhaya ubonakala because it's slow.
life eGoli
Yeah.
fast ngoba
Yeah.
uhlangana nezinto eziningi ngesikhathi eyi-1
Exactly.
ubona ama-Gautrain ekhaya wekho
Yabona.
ubona etekisi KZN ekhashakasheni azikho okay but sorry but then wena uri usabebile bang
Mina like mina ubuza ngami. Oh, okay. Mina peer pressure ngeke ngahlangana.
It's sipping right?
Yeah. Ngasho ukuthi peer pressure iyangibamba. Iyangibamba yayingibambile because angivelanga nga-decide ukuthi ngithathe ibhiya ngiphuze yabo. Yeah. Angivelanga nje kwayisukela. Like bekunabangani abashoyo ukuthi asiphume yabona ibhiya bangi-introduce kuyibhiya angivelanga nje ngathi ngavuka ekuseni ngacabanga ukuthi namhlanje ngizobamba ibhiya so bekuyi-peer pressure leyo yeah ngaleso sikhathi but lezi ezinye-ke ezokuthi ngisurvive njani kulabantu mhlampe abagcine bephenduka like amaphara la emgwaqeni abanye bayathengisa ngemzimba angazi ngoba ngizofakaza lento adishiyo londa ngathi noma kuvubelekile lokho but yeah ukuthi kuya ngokuthi ukhuliswe kanjani vele kahle kahle angeke nje mina ngoba ngivele nami ngumntana kagogo ngikhuliswe ugogo bengeke nje ngoba ngikhuliswe ugogo angisho ukuthi maybe if bekuthiwa ngikhuliswe umunye umuntu but umntana kagogo nokhuliswe umama okhuliswe auntie abafani angeke futhi kufane nendlela oyenza ngazo so mina ngikhuliswe ugogo
But kuyenzeka sorry to cut you. Kuyenzeka ukuthi ukhulise ugogo ne mara i-situation ikuphoqa ukuthi uyeke imfundiso kagogo uhambe nayo.
hayi mina angaze ngihlangabezana naleyo nto angazi yabona into engathi ngishiyile nje kuphela engeke ngayifundiswa ugogo ukuthi ngiyesontweni but ngiyakwazi ukuthandaza hayi angiyesontweni but ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngithandaze
mara ugogo ukhulisela esontweni
ya ukuthi thina la ekhaya siya esontweni siyasonta but lokho engasakweni into engiyenzayo nje ukuthi ngithandaze leyo nto engikhuliswe ngayo isonto mhlawumbe leyo nto engeke ngayishintsha nje kuphela but yeah lokhu nje ngihamba ngemfundiso kagogo that is why mhlawumbe engakaze ngidibane nayo ukuthi manje sengiyintombazane ehlala emgwaqeni sengicela abo 2 rand or man so lesi ngisithengisa but yeah kuyenzeka
ya yona
Yeah,
yona kona kwenzeka mina
yeah.
ngiyazibuza ukuthi mina uizikhet ngoba uphuma le mina ngiyazi na okay mina I'm sorry to see this but ngiyazi nala ukuthi nabazali bakhe baphuma khona ngithola it's deep rural
Yeah.
bo ngedima kabuthaba khona
Hey,
imoto bayazi ngamalayit ukuthi le imoto leyana ngiyaka isavela ngale ngoba imoto uthatha if ever ngeke aphume ejardini ngeke ayibone imoto ngithola la akhulela khona samanje mina ngiyamangala ukuthi okay ena uizikhet man bafihla Gauteng mina wasibenya upesi ba rena ape nna ba fana ba ke ba tsaba ba baya ba no gore ke a tsaba gore ba tsoba dinyaope ba tsoba di crystal di what do you know gore adi because of this peer pressure we kushisa so then nenya go kushara na wena we survive le byang crystal nyaope ape ba bontsha gare le bophelo bo fast because ba kere ba dira tšhelete ka go topela dikene mo pating ba dira not all of them are to topela dikene mo pating ke dinyaope so ke di crystal ba bona gore ba survive ba bongwe di hustlers we kushisa mara le ba bona gore ba bona re batho ba a ba sa hustla bjale ba nyaka ntwe ngwe ya gore e kgone go thiba ntwe ba ikwang ka mare ntwe na di crystal batho ba bona batho ba tlinga di crystal ke bona ba re bolaile ntuma so nna nyaka no busha na wena mo Gauteng o survive le bjang mfutse
hey. I pay the Josie, ne? Hey, Josie, ne? The pressure by. Nanga no survive le ka grace. It's by the grace of God.
ka re ke o tsora tadi
Hey, yeah, hey, what's say, what's not di lo.
eh ka o tseba
Hey, ka no survive by the grace of God. And not how tse le mo de ine, braya ka ne. Ka dai ya peer pressure. Ida ba le peer pressure. Ka mo lo re kenine. Mfa ka dikoloto. Hey.
tsena ga re dikoloto
Tsena ka ra dikoloto. Yo mfa ka dikoloto. O tsaro jani ne. Ke peer pressure lor ke no okay. A o tsaka. Ene le che. Understand? So Cheria, why spoiler? We buy the go over there 1 2 3.
ene wena o fitlhelele
Then like Pitele, mo kere ke lebella ro kenine. E ka re ke tla mo phela ka sa ke ke no le yona ke tlo kgwatha. O ngone ke tshileng. O ngone ke mmulele account. Ka bula account at sure.
ka peer pressure
Ka peer pressure.
Aya go ba.
Understand? Ka peer pressure. A thobo dira ene, ke thoma o tshela mabebeza. Diaparo ka khathi. You understand? Hey. So you got to come to the upper country. Pelape, I go go buying power. You are about getting buying power 5,000. Hey, so come to the upper, Jama 3,000 something. Now you get it for all. Understand?
so re mete
Now you sorry mate. 2 months down the line. Anar baba buy get traffic mo manu. Baba. Ignore mo kere ka find out no man. I take one.
442 mastalisa
Hey, baba, shy mo Yabona bese ngihlukana naye mangihlukana naye mina ngisele
Ushaya ka ra dikoloto.
esikoleni bese mina ngisikela ukuthini hayi angisasibhadali isikoleti
Hawu.
Understand out of anger oyikushisa
ora akusapatela
ke ra kusaphathela out of anger so ka tswa mo so ani hayi no ke tlo buela sininini ke batla lokisa taba tsa ka tsa di-finance
ba riela
bare hey wa kolota
Hawe.
and no sitting in the areas understand sitting in the areas very young car into ke ka experience ka peer pressure no
eh nga se ro bone masepa ke tro bone masela
masela
mara mpe ro bone masepa
hey because what's peer pressure cause again o khale in most cases especially at this group age
watsare nna ke go tibang ne nna ke go sheke mama ke old ke old that's always ke bona motho wa mosadi ke na le special treatment le batho
yeah
whether monyano wo moyo mo le bja because nna ke go sheke motho wa mosadi wa bona so then nna tsara sanga dlala bo ka taba la bomma ba re ngwana a ke go bona o dlala bolo kwa strateng why because bana ba le ne ba apara ditšongwe tša go fetana ne ba phela maphelo la go fetisha ka gae go se family tša bona papa bona bereka PMC Wadia no kushish. Then mina lady umuntu okukhereza hamba awasha lana enza domestic worker wabona angidlala ngebhola because of that situation yabo. She didn't want me to be exposed to things lezi ekuthe yena as Afro. Yangisholo. Ultimately if ever can be exposed to these things ngitoba exposed again then ngitothoma ku demand too much to yena. Wakushiya ekuthoma ku demand too much to yena afford nje. And then do tshela dibakala 9 pressure ya gore tshontse ke ding ke di khumane gore tshontse ke thoma go di angutswa go ke thoma go di dutse tshwantsha nje wakushiya. So mara cut it short na dutse na pressure di bayan na like it survive. Yeah. Na pressure ba ke survive you no pala ke ne
Namba go so lu mudu me. Selor ko na mo tholor no manish.
Na ke ngwana papa.
Why
because nna ke no lebela ke thoma bo afford. Because na self ne ke bo afford. Aka no bela ke go shumishela tabo mma. Because ne ke chaba pressure ni. Ke no lebela because ne ke bo afford.
Yeah.
Ke bo afford. I can really get taken. Hey, I really get taken. So that's why I get really get afford. So mara now that's why get na these things charge peer pressure and stuff and as you do about it did then like beside that much. So guys I got to fix my film episode there.
Yeah. This is the
So then as usual but subscribe to our YouTube channel, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, African Tipsy, no space. African Tipsy podcast, no space. So arguing am khwano o tla e bona hore e tshwere ke manyora mangwe ma serious. Manyora manyori. So ro pela at least le subscribe, o subscriber, o like, o commenta, at least na re a gola le wena wa gola.
Yeah.
Ba re ke nka speed ba re diatla tse pedi dia hlatswa. So let's just want us
Izandla
zakhe. Oh, so yeah, izandla zakhe. So yeah, arguing am khwano guys, subscribe, comment, like, and share. So and share, we're gonna share, and then it's fine.
Yeah.
So say vala loan.
out. Peace out.
Peace out. Well, peace out.
Why? Not in that way.
Oh, or peace out. Don't fund. Say vala.
Yeah.
Push up. Okay, yeah, please. Ubatshele ukuthi wasathu.
Ufakeni lapha manje. Inje.
Ima eyes.
Odwa.
Hayi, ima eyes.
Mara sigcoka amajezi wena uphuza ama-ice.
Bathi ngiphuza amanzi okubanda semanje nginganamanzi. Samanje ngafaka lama ice lawa yakathe ukuthi ma melt amagcwala.
Kuzoba
And then
namanzi.
kube manzi. Angithi ice inzwa ngamanzi.
Yeah.
Ke nobyala lo khodo wathoma ndimiko nale ice.
Yeah. It's go no me.
No methi yawo. Methi yawo ice. All right. Say valile.
Yeah, no, like and subscribe and eat what to take a mocha. Subscribe and like African tips. So I'll subscribe and like it. Yeah, you move it. Sure.
Coming with smile, yeah, wave you like a priest. Getting motivated, yeah, always in the front. Wanna make it a great wall of China. Tuto kili said, yeah, we'll buy a liya buy. It's like it's an agapitor, imagine, boo, there's no peace.